To perform scissors exercises on a mat, begin by lying flat on your back with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Place your hands slightly under your hips with your palms facing down. This helps support your lower back and maintain stability. Engage your core by drawing your navel toward your spine. Lift both legs off the floor about 4 to 6 inches, keeping them straight and together. Then, raise one leg up to a 45 to 70 degree angle, while keeping the other leg hovering just above the ground. Switch legs in a smooth, controlled motion, as if making a scissor-like movement. Continue alternating legs in a slow, steady rhythm, focusing on core engagement and controlled breathing. Avoid letting your lower back arch off the mat. If it does, raise your legs slightly higher to maintain contact with the mat. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions per leg, or continue for 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your fitness level. To increase difficulty, slow down the movement or hold each leg position briefly before switching. This exercise strengthens the lower abdominal muscles, improves core stability, and can also engage the hip flexors and legs. Please check my next video.